Hey guys, so Xiaomi produces one of the most popular wearable product, the Mi Band. Xiaomi's current Mi Band, that is the Mi Band 4, offers a color OLED display and features like music playback and unlimited watch faces, and offers NFC. However, this feature was only supported in China and not available to users globally. Now, a new Mi Band is in the works as you'd expect, called the Mi Band Phi. As the name suggests, the Mi Band Phi will succeed the Mi Band 4 and will reportedly pack a larger 1.2-inch color AMOLED touchscreen. This is over 25% larger than the one that Xiaomi includes in the Mi Band 4. The report adds that the Mi Band Phi's display will offer a higher brightness output, better contrast and improved readability under natural light. So display is a huge upgrade overall, but with big display comes big battery. It's not confirmed as of yet to come with big battery, but I believe it will come with few more mAh. Another notable feature that the Mi Band Phi will bring is the support for NFC outside China as well. Xiaomi already offers NFC variant of the Mi Band 4 in China, but now with Mi Band Phi, NFC will be supported globally. Yes, you heard me right, NFC will be supported globally. Xiaomi's decision to add NFC to the mix could be more important as it would now enable to support more payment options including Google Pay support. Further, in China too, only Mi Pay was officially supported by the Mi Band 4. There was no support for apps like Google Pay. Now, the company looks to expand support globally by introducing support for more apps. So now you can pay on the move with your Mi Band. So all in all, Mi Band Phi gets an upgrade on display, probably on the battery, and most important of all, the NFC. Apart from this, the report also reveals that the Mi Band Phi will cost 179 yuan in China, that is roughly around 1800 rupees, and will launch in June later in 2020. This should set the Mi Band Phi for similar pricing strategy such as the Mi Band 4 in India. More about this will be covered in my channel, so if you are interested in such videos, then do consider subscribing. Thank you for watching this video. Peace out.